This is the SOUNDPEATS Air 3. It's a half-in-ear true wireless compact earbuds. We're going to do a review on this and unbox it and get it connected to your Android phone for use. So this is the box packaging. So it features a Bluetooth 5.2, the latest in the market today. It supports profiles such as HSP, HFP, A2DP, AV, RCP, and it has got a chipset that uses the Qualcomm QCC 3040. The Bluetooth supported codecs are SBC, aptX, as well as aptX adaptive. So let's unbox this and we can show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like once you open up the box. This should be the earbuds and its charging case. The earbuds are in the charging case itself. It is the charging cable and it is a USB Type-C interface. And this should be the user guide itself. So these are the items in box. You've got the user guide, the charging cable, charging case, as well as the SOUNDPEATS Air 3 earbuds itself. So let's take a look at the charging case and the earbuds itself. So on the charging case, it has got the SOUNDPEATS branding imprinted on top of the cover itself. And right at the front, there's an LED to indicate the battery life of the charging case. And right below it is a button, and that is used for resets. At the bottom is where you have the USB charging port, and it's USB-C. So let's remove the earbuds from the case itself. So this pair of earbuds, it weighs at 4 grams each. It's pretty light and compact. And right at the top you can see the MFB button, or the multi-function button, and it is controlled by touch. One thing I like about these earbuds is that you're able to increase or decrease the volume of any music playback right on the earbuds itself. We will show you how it's done later on when we do the music playback. It comes with 4 microphones, 2 on each end, and with the 4 built-in mics, it gives you a good sound clarity. We have tested it on making some calls, and both ourselves and the other party is able to hear us pretty well. So the battery life for this pair of earbuds is 5 hours, and together with the charging case is able to boost up to 17.5 hours of playtime. So during music playback, we have also noticed that the bass is pretty solid for a tiny pair of earbuds such as the SOUNDPEATS Air 3, and the sound clarity is also pretty clear. Definitely a good value for money. Now it has got a game mode where you can tap on the left earbud and the game mode will be activated. So it is suitable for gamers as well. Do note that it has a waterproof rating of IPX5. So you're able to do sports with this pair of earbuds. But please do not immerse this pair of earbuds under shower or in a tub of water. It is not designed for that. So let us put this pair of earbuds back into the charging case. We will show you how to pair this pair of earbuds to your Android phone next. Next, we're going to show you how to pair this pair of earbuds to your Android phone. To do that, make sure that the case has got enough power. Open the charging case lid and then you press the button for 3 seconds. The LED will flash and both earbuds are now in the pairing mode. So from your Android phone, go to Bluetooth. You can see that it has discovered our SOUNDPEATS Air3. Select that. At the Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. And if you have to go back to Bluetooth again, you can see that the SOUNDPEATS Air3 is now connected for calls and audio. It is that simple to pair your SOUNDPEATS Air3 to your Android phone. Next, let us put on our earbuds. We'll start the music playback. To start the music, simply tap twice on either earbuds. The music will start. One thing I like about the SOUNDPEATS Air3 is that it has got the volume control on the earbuds itself. To increase the volume, simply tap once on the right earbud. You can see that the volume has increased. To lower the volume, tap on the left earbud once. Now, we will show you how to go to the next track as well as the previous track. So from the playback itself, to go to the next track, simply press on the right earbuds for 1.5 seconds. You can see that it has jumped to the next track. To go back to the previous track, simply tap on the left earbud for 1.5 seconds. You can see that it actually went back to the start of the playback, and if you press 1.5 seconds on the left earbud again, it will then jump to the previous track. Let's stop the playback. To activate the voice assistant, you do a triple tap on the right earbud. Or we can use a Bixby voice while we are in the music playback mode. And so this is how you do a music playback on the SOUNDPEATS Air3. Next, we will show you how to answer and reject calls. To answer calls, do a double tap on either earbuds. To hang up the call, do a double tap on either earbuds. reject the phone call, simply press and hold the earbud for 1.5 seconds. You can press either earbud. Let's reject this call. And so, this is how you answer and hang up calls as well as reject calls on your SOUNDPEATS Air 3.